In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows Update error 0xC1900101, or the issue where the update freezes at 40%. Follow these quick steps carefully. Step 1. Run a system scan. Click the search bar and type command prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when asked. Now type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Let the scan continue in the background and move to the next step. Step 2. Enable required services. Open the search bar and type Services, then open it. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click it, set the startup type to Automatic, click Start, then click OK. Now find Windows Update, open it, set it to Automatic, click Start, and press OK. Step 3. Fix date and time settings. Search for date and time settings and open it. Turn on Set Time automatically and make sure the correct time zone is selected. Scroll down and click Sync Now. Step 4. Run the Update Troubleshooter. Search for Troubleshoot settings and open it. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Follow the on-screen steps until it finishes. Final step. Restart your PC and try updating Windows again. The issue should now be resolved. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be